How to allow pop-ups on Google Chrome. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Chrome browser, and once you do that, click on the three dots at the top right corner, then click on Settings. And here you want to scroll down to the advanced section, and from there click on Site Settings, and then click on Pop-ups and Redirects. Now, as you can see right here, the pop-ups and redirects option, it has a toggle next to it, which is turned off. So click on that toggle, and as soon as you do that, you will see that the pop-ups and redirects option is now allowed and turned on. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can activate pop-ups and enable them on Google Chrome. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.